Good day, this is Peter Ikisa, and this is my Statistical Machine Learning final project question 2. For this problem, I generated a sample from a normal distribution with a mean of 50 and standard deviation of 10. I created 1000 samples of size 5 and computed their sample mean, then repeated the process for the sample of size 30. Here's the code I used to do it. Here I defined the parameters for the normal distribution. Here for the sample size of 5, I generated the sample and I calculated the mean. Here is for case 2, for sample size of 30. I did the same thing, generated the sample and calculated the mean. After which I plotted the histogram for both of them. Here we can see the two histograms, the sample size 5 on the left and sample size 30 on the right. When I plotted the histograms, I said that both distributions were centered around 50 mark. However, the distribution for n equals 30 is narrower and more concentrated compared to n equals 5. That's because larger sample size reduces variability and the standard error decreases as the sample size increases. This result illustrates the central limit theorem, where the sample distribution becomes more normal and less spread out as the sample size grows.